Okay, in Marshall's, look, they have a really cute $8, like a little mouse.
The dormouse.
Yeah, $8 for the door
neat.
one. Santa's still on the bike, the penguin one. Plenty of Santas right here. Okay, and somebody in the comment section said that was supposed to be the daughter. I don't know. I just thought it was kind of weird. Like, I don't know. I want to know the backstory.
I thought she dyed her hair.
And that one's cute. It is 17. Okay, a snowman. A Stitch. Still baking. Okay, it looks like some of these like vintage ones are kind of going away a little bit. They're not badly priced. They're 14. This one with the bow, $12.99. Still not bad. And they do have one with the ornaments around, like a little wreath. Here's Jack for $25. I don't remember this one. Look at his sack. So cute. Oh, there's one more with a 0 and a $29.99. He's in his cool little outfit. Tons of Jack, deer, nesting, the snowman, and the dog still here. Okay, this guy, he's cute. Look at his scarf in the wind. This one's 20 and 15. Check out the bell. This is really, really pretty. It's blue. I love that blue one. Okay. Oh, you know what? Someone bought that sleigh. It is gone. He's still around. That's the glass one. Oh, not really. 15. Then we have the nutcracker. Plenty of your cone. They're gonna have like that pearl. If you want the pearl look. $10. The large one will be $12.99. And check this one out. Isn't that pretty? You could put your LED candle in here. 15. The nutcracker. 15 for the deer, the white one. The tree with the gold bow. You have the gold present. This one is by Full of Glitter. Nicole Miller, 17. And $40 right here. 40. Oh, look at the skinny deer. 17, $16.99. One with the little pearl bow on its head. This one is 15. More ornaments, and oh my gosh, I think everything right here right now is a deer. Nothing but deer and snowman. Is this one a countdown? I don't think it's a countdown. It does light up for 20. And you have one with the tree. I do miss the ones from Tuesday morning because they moved. Sometimes they were like musical boxes. $21.99. And you have the little ornament in here. The candles. You know what would be really cool on this one if the candles lit up?
What would be? Yeah, I haven't seen any motion ones though.
And we have a snowman right here, and this one is really cute. This one's by Martha though for 15. So Martha does make decor like this right here. And look at the felt bear. This one's 15. And here's a little sleepy one with a little mouse. Look at him. He is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. This one is by Martha. And this one is $15. Look at that one. $12.99. Just like a little felt tree. Oh, they have this tree here. They also have one in Homegoods as well. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. These are $12.99. So we have a green wreath and the gold one. Again, those are plastic. How do we feel about the snowman? The no face one. This one's pretty, actually. I like the one next to it, 15. Oh, there's a green one. So we have trees on it, 10. There's a green, the garland, and the ornament. And we turn it around, we have like a little bedazzle bow. That's 15. More glassware. The pink plate. That's kind of cute. That's $5.99. There's one salt and pepper shaker. They only have the Santa. Kind of like the vintage red and green. 10. And there's also... Can we look down here? I'm gonna have to go by their kitchenware. I really, really want to see kitchenware. Isn't that pretty? 25. And if you want the wine glass, here we go. With the garland, 10. Let me bring out the bowls for ya. Made in Italy. This is actually really, really pretty. That's 7. We have the crystal tree, the cross. Oh, look. They have the green one. So we have like at least a green. It's really heavy, 20. If you're into snow globes, they do have them. This one's like a little mason jar with a train. That's actually kind of cute. Oh, man, there's no price on that one. Have a little snow on it. No price. Snowman. Santa on a airplane. $7. And the flute. That's $7. We have the drinkware. Everything has the gold rim on it. We've seen these shooters in Homegoods, so they do have them here. We have the glass shakers. Okay, they're ready. Normally this whole area is going to be in Marshall's, and does pretty good at filling this area with glassware and jewelry boxes, which we have over here. Want to give a little gift that keeps on giving. Look at that. That's kind of cute with the gold bow. Oh gosh, why is there no price? But they do offer it in mini, only in gold. 15. So 15 for like the tiny one. Again, not too sure, but for that. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Kind of wish it was red on the inside. I'm not much of a pinky person, but I feel like red would go pretty good. 17. We have all these options to choose from. Actually, we need a necklace holder. That's what we need to store all the necklace. Apple garland, cookies for Santa. We have Martha. This one's just a tree and a candle by 34th and Pine.
The wick on the tree?
I think, I don't know. I think it's more for decor. Yeah.
Oh, it is on the tree.
It smells like pine. 17. I mean, it's cute, but I don't think I would ever light that one.
I would just leave it, yeah.
And these candle holders are cute. These are by Cupcake and Cashmere. They're 10.
I like those.
There's also a wreath one. They do have wine glasses like that too. Oh, here's another one. It's kind of funny. That's 15. Peppermint bark. All right, let's smell this one. You know what? I could barely smell it.
No, what you gotta like stick your face in
15.
because this paper's on it. It smells like Starbucks peppermint coffee, if that helps.
Then we have cinnamon. Okay, I can smell that one.
Yeah, it's just cinnamon.
You know, like the little cinnamon brooms from Trader Joe's.
Or
These
like
are 15.
the acorns.
Yeah. And that's the tree one, which I do like. Okay, these are pretty.
That would be like a good cologne.
Oh yeah? It kind of does smell good. It smells fresh, like a fresh tree.
Kind of minty-ish almost.
Yeah. You want your man to smell minty?
I do.
And by Martha, $49.99. We do have the train, kind of like a rustic one. Says Joy on it. These are $15 down here. A gingerbread pillow. Look at this bear one. That one's really cute. The bear pillow.
I like the bears.
Yeah, 25.
I like the bear more than this.
Gingerbread, 25. Oh, look at this one.
Oh, I like him.
He's
That'd
cute.
be cute on your bed.
20. Yeah. You get 2 in here. That's 40. And $29.99. Okay, the gingerbread men pillow by Martha. They're 20. Oh gosh, they have a cat, a gingerbread, but the cat one's 25. So you will pay more for a cat.
That's weird.
Yeah, it's weird. Why are you
Got a
paying?
drink on it.
Yeah, got a little peppermint mocha or latte. Okay, desk light for 17. Oh look, see? If you want to get festive. These are 20 on top. Those are Laura Ashley. I was gonna say Ralph Lauren because that's like the Ralph Lauren vibe. You know what I mean? The color scheme. Kitchen department. Okay, I don't see anything, you know, season vibe.
No Christmas, no Thanksgiving. That's it.
It's a really cute butter dish. I don't know why.
Actually, that's kind of neat.
It is pretty. Look at this Snoopy. He's a vampire. It's cute. Football. 7.
So long. And I was like, what the
Mhm.
hell?
Oh, where the wild things are.
I know.
$12.99.
But like, I read it wrong. And it caught me off guard.
So cute.
I was like, well,
SpongeBob, the cat, Miffy. That's 8. Thankful for friends. Oh, he's cute. He's 10. Put your hot cocoa in here.
Yeah.
Cozy girl season. Yeah, okay.
I like the zombie Hello Kitty look.
Oh, that one's
Isn't
cute.
that cute? It's different.
It's Han Solo and Witch Hat season. We all know.
This one's
I actually haven't
$12.99.
seen any of those.
No Han Solos.
You know, I think the new Han Solo is Lululemon clothes and a pumpkin spice latte.
The first day of fall. That one's 10. That one's cute. Miffy. A lot of Miffy everywhere.
Can I see any more
These are 10. There's the Coca-Cola one. Okay, by Pink Sky. Shower steamers. We have Sugar Lemon. Those are 7. They smell really, really good. Oh, look. 17. Little new scent. Wish they were open. I want to see what that bottle looks like. This one's open.
Yeah, those are pretty ones.
17.
I'll check it out.
I'll check that one out.
Sometimes they just look like bottles, but sometimes they're really pretty with the little
Soap.
dipper and stuff.
Yeah.
going on.
Oh, these are
Yeah,
just
it's
simple.
more like a regular. Oh, this got a spray thing on it too.
Okay. So I remember I was telling you one smells like Eternity for women, the dropper one. This smells like a Gucci bamboo dupe. Pretty
Yeah,
close to it because I
it
have
does.
Gucci bamboo and I'm like, this smells like my
Yeah, I
perfume.
recognize this.
But a
one.
little stronger, just a little stronger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
Huh.
like if my mom wore Gucci bamboo. Yeah.
Okay. But It's pretty strong, but it smells like it. It's crazy. Plenty of Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Save it for the season, I guess. We're gonna get in new. Oh, look at, they have that big one. See, we're getting a little bit, just a little bit. Here, look at. The makeup brushes are full of bling. The headband. But are the brushes good?
Sometimes when I get brushes from here, the freaking like brush part falls off of the
$29.99.
part.
So $30 for that entire set.
Do you think these would hold my hair?
Alright, check this one out for $20. $25. You're looking for a pant. I kind of like these pants. Groovy. Everybody knows somebody who would wear one of these. I feel like I know. Yeah. Here's more of a wide leg pant if you're into that. These are $20. They're cute. The only thing is the buttons. But it doesn't look bad. I have a green pair, so. But you know, because I'm like, I've been digging the polka dot look though. Alright, you guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Please stay safe out there. And I will see all of you in the next one. Look at that. This one's $40.